Okay guys, so this is the speech test that you will do for the pronunciation power. And all I'm doing here is just demonstrating what it is. I did a couple of these so I could figure it out. You can see I'm on number 16 and there's a total of 52. So I'll just show you how this works so you can do it yourselves. So this is your button that we're using, this button right here that means record. And this sentence that's bigger is the one that we're actually going to read. So watch this. 5 of the 12 loaves of bread haven't risen. Can you notice that I clicked record, waited for about 1 second, then I read it, then I waited for another second, and then I clicked stop. Okay, so watch me do that. Is it Don's fault that he lost the long shawl? Okay, see that little bit of a pause I have at the beginning and at the end of the sentence? That's just to make sure that the microphone is capturing the sound properly. Okay, so let's do it again. The woman put the cookbook in the bookcase. See that? One more time. Skip the peas and pickles for supper. And that's the process for this whole thing. So I'm going to go through it and you guys can watch me do this one. I'm going to accelerate this so you guys don't have to wait through the whole thing. But here we go. The spider will spin a web on the bedspread. My sister burned the dirty curtain. His prized films were seized at customs in New Zealand. And there you go. That's the whole test. And you complete that, you click My Account, brings you here, and click on a button above to view your usage statistics and past test results or change your password. Okay, speech test results, that's what I want. Click. And most difficult, none, right? Needs some improvement, my zoo.
Sh.
Ooh, we can hear sounds. Listen to that.
Or. Sh. Sh.
Ooh.
Z. Z. Sh. Sh. Sh.
I'm not sure what's going on with that, but every so often something's doubled, and I don't know what that means. So you guys are probably hearing that as well, right? I can do the zzz right here for zoo.
Z.
And that's perfect. But if I go again, sometimes it's doubled.
Z. Z. Z.
Right there, right? So that was weird. I don't know what that is. Okay, but you can see, here's all of our sounds. Let me make this bigger. You can see that a little bit clearer, okay?
A.
So there's our sounds. Okay, these are all the vowels. Here are the consonants, and here's some of our clusters. Okay, we got a bunch of sounds in English, a lot of things going on. But there's our 18 vowels we need to look at. Here's the consonant sounds of English right there. There's 39 of those. And then here's the cluster sounds. Now in yours, whoops. So in yours, it's going to show and identify, just like this one down here has this, these two are in orange, and this one over here is in orange as well. That means there was some kind of error when I spoke, which happens, right? And what you want to be watching for, always, the most important ones are these ones that are red. And you can see I don't have any that are red, of course, I'm a native speaker, but for you, there probably will be some that are red. And that's the one you focus on. Okay, find the one that's red, and then you practice that one. So let's pretend, right, that this one right here, this is red. So I would be focusing on this one. I would focus here on this one, and I would ignore the other zoo and shin that are over here, just this one.
Or,
and I would practice that.
Or,
Okay?
Or.
So this I should be able to click on.
Or.
Oh.
Or.
Nope. Can't click on it, makes no difference at all. That's kind of lame. And because it looks like a button. It acts like a button, but it doesn't take me anywhere. Okay, so there you go. That's how the beginning of this works. There's our achievements. Here's some information. Let's see, let's try that. Guide achievements. So I did these things. Oh, look at all these activities that we can do. Awesome. So if I back up here, there's my test. That's great. Speech test. Let's do an activity. I can do pronunciation power. Click. Let's do it. Pronunciation power. We have purchased for clients, getting really good feedback. This is awesome. My account. Lessons, there we go. Lessons. Up here in the corner. And then side and front view. So what am I looking at? I'm looking at this sound. What does that sound like? I don't know. Click this.
or,
Or. Ah, that's my sound. Or. Okay. So what does that look like from the side?
or,
Hey. Over here.
Or.
Okay. And I have this airflow legend, right? So that means there's air coming out. That means something else. Obstructed sound, voice box not used, voice box used. All right, so right there, there's no voice box. That's the straight line. But then when I hit play, watch it'll...
or,
See that little vibration? That's what this is going on here. Drrr. Again.
or,
Got it. Okay. So we can switch this. We can see just the speech analysis. A lot of you won't understand this, and that's okay, but this is the sound.
or,
Okay. This is a screenshot from Prot. Come back, side and front view. This is probably easier. Then I can switch to look at all these other sounds. I can pick which one. Let's pick this one.
sh,
Shh. All right, watch this.
sh, sh,
Okay. Notice this little line right here doesn't change. It just stays through.
sh,
Okay, nothing's going on. Over here.
Shh. Shh.
Okay. Here's another one. Okay, and we can go through and we can look at all of these different things, whatever we want. Here's one that's pretty typical, right?
x,
Right? KS. Ks. Like sick. Six.
X.
Right? This is a difficult sound.
x, x,
See that? It's pretty sweet. Now we know how all of that works. Alrighty. And now we know this one, so that's pronunciation power 1. We have 2, we have idioms, we've got a dictionary, we've got grammar and color key, vocabulary builder, the speech test, which I already took, and a phonics game. And all of these different things are here included. Then we have exercises inside of here. So here's a word to say.
jokes, jokes,
X.
books, exit, takes, accept, thinks,
X, 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 X. Right? You hear that? That X every time, because that's what we're selected.
ah,
If we come over here to that one, now we have M's.
mend, my,
Awesome, right? We've got all this control. Look at this one down here.
room,
Cool. And we can record ourselves. Room. Room. There you go. Now I can hear myself. It's awesome. Highlight,
come,
unhighlight. Oh, the letter. Okay. I can even save my file so I can send it to my teacher. Room. Ah, look at that. Okay, if you want to practice pronunciation in some way, we can figure out what's going on there. Ooh, that's sweet. I like that. Here's a dictionary. Okay, lots of words in here, a bunch of different things. I suggest you search in different ways. You can go by the sound. Let's look at that one. Aw, right? So here's a word.
almond,
Almond, right? Scroll down a little bit.
automatic, bottom, call, bronchitis,
Okay, here's some more.
call, college,
Okay, got that. And we can do that.
colleges,
Plural even. That's awesome. Okay, so as you can see, we've got a ton of different things, and that's just the pronunciation power 1. Come over here, we have idioms. Got even more things we can play with. enable the flash player. This happens sometimes. Allow. Well, that was intense. Okay. File. Don't have a file. Lessons and exercises. Idioms. We may have to play with this another day. I'm not quite sure how to use this. Yeah, we're going to use that another day. Okay. That one's a little confusing.
College.
Big dictionary, which we've already played with. We've got the dictionary. Beginning grammar with color. Okay, color, different pieces, manuals, and pretest. To be. Let's do... Can. I can walk. Good. Drive. Drive, driving, driven. Okay. Can't hear anything. Oh, this is just straight grammar quizzes. Okay, yeah, maybe not. Okay, so that's not very helpful. Vocabulary builder. I don't see anything going wrong here. Okay, so apparently I win on that one. And then the phonics came.
Ice. Wife. Fax.
We're going for the F. Is that what's going on?
Switzerland.
The W's in there.
15.
The F's in there.
Iceberg.
Ice.
Spot.
Aw.
Pliers.
Ply.
Which.
Which. W.
Dishwasher.
Dishwasher.
1 o'clock.
1. Yeah, 1 o'clock.
Cost.
Cost.
Toboggan.
Toboggan.
Doctor.
Doctor.
Fox.
Fox.
Flower.
Flower. Yay, we win.
File.
But that pronunciation power is pretty useful. Here's number 2, where things are just a little bit more complex. Same basic idea, right? So we have more advanced tools going on here. Whoops. And a little bit more advanced activities, but basically the same kind of a structure, so that's nice. 1 and 2. Great. Hey guys, there you go. That's kind of my quick overview of the pronunciation power. We will use this, particularly this test that's right here, on all of you, and then we'll practice with and do different things throughout the semester. Thank you guys very much, and I'll talk to you guys another day.